Best deals.
1. Grill pan. Comes with a sturdy glass lid to lock in moisture and flavors, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. Thick cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for perfectly cooked meals. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Basket. Ideal for washing vegetables, fruits, rice and pasta, this kitchen sink basket works as a colander, drain basket and sink strainer. Adjustable over the sink colander expands to fit most kitchen sinks, providing hands-free washing and efficient drainage. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Glass jars. Flip-top lids are easy to open and close, wide mouth is easier to fill and dispense. The spice jars with airtight hinged lids and rubber gasket offer an airtight secure seal preventing leaks. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Soap dish. Its slim, sloping design holds a full-size soap bar while saving space, making it ideal for any wash basin. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mold. With this creative design, we can not only make delicious baby food supplements, but also make colorful ice cream, add more fun to our lives. The popsicle mold made of silicone material is soft, non-stick and easy to remove and can be washed with water and dishwasher liquid after each use. It is very comfortable to use next time. Silicone ice cream molds bring a lot of fun to our lives. We can use it to make delicious and colorful yogurt, fruits and vegetables. It can also be given to family and friends as an ideal Christmas and birthday gift. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Waffle maker. Make your favorite breakfast classics, or get creative with waffled hash browns, cookies, and even biscuit pizzas. Any batter will waffle into single serving portions. The waffle maker gas is great for families. Dual non-stick surfaces provide an even cook for consistent results and delicious golden waffles every time. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Organizer. Its sleek design enhances your vanity while keeping your beauty essentials neatly arranged. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Basket. Sturdy steel mesh wall construction. Creative fruit centerpiece is a great decorative fruit basket for your dining room table, adding a simplistic and sleek modern touch to your home decor while safely storing your fruit. Perfect for you as a daily use. Made of premium stainless steel mesh by Handmade, tight, sturdy and durable, wide and open design, keeps fruit vegetable fresh, best and effortless to clean, with no loss in storage, dry, wash and display functionality. Stainless steel countertop fruit basket stand for serving apple, grapes, orange, pineapple, banana, lemon and more fruit in style. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Toilet brush. Features a triple action brush head that cleans in 3 directions at once for a faster and more effective clean. Designed as a sleek toilet brush, it combines modern style with powerful performance to elevate your bathroom essentials. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Scalp massager. Press the button while facing the brush downwards for optimal cleaning. Avoid pulling the cleaning device above the bristles, let it work its magic within the brush for efficient hair and debris removal. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Spiralizer. Compact size is perfect for individual portions. Great for curly fries, frittatas, salad garnishes, low-carb entrees and desserts. Cuts uniform, curly noodles. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Griller. Sandwich maker offers unparalleled versatility, allowing you to enjoy perfectly grilled sandwiches with its sandwich maker gas feature, while doubling as a bread toaster for various toasting needs. This sandwich maker gas model ensures efficient cooking with its gas-powered design, providing a reliable bread toaster experience and doubling as a sandwich grill for evenly cooked meals, and is compact and portable, making it easy to use anywhere. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Idli maker. Experience the joy of making restaurant-quality, soft, and fluffy idlis at home with our unique rectangular idli steamer. Its innovative design maximizes cooking space. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Dosa Tawa. Designed using advanced German technology, the 5-layer coating ensures superior durability, 4.88 mm thick body for even heating, and metal spoon friendliness. Stylish granite finish offers a premium look while providing an elegant tough. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Vacuum cleaner. Is ideal for the easy removal of stubborn stains and large areas of dirt on carpets, upholstery, car seats, floor mats, dog baskets and much more. Even spills such as drinks can be removed in no time at all. Spray, brush and vacuum. The handy brushes have an innovative spray system. Spraying, brushing and vacuuming can now be done in one operation. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Organizer. It is designed to fit standard fridge shelves perfectly. It is easy to remove and clean, making it a practical addition to your kitchen organizer collection. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Kadhai. Crafted with nitrided iron, the surface is hardened to resist abrasion, while its corrosion-resistant and low-porosity finish means it uses less oil and is less likely to rust. The non-reactive surface ensures your food retains its natural taste without unwanted reactions. Ideal for curries, gravies, frying, searing, or snacks. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Bathroom shelf. Is made up solid durable chrome metal and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Press and flat the magic sticker pad, squeeze the air out from middle to edge. The storage shelf rack has 2 layers, storage rack, to store all your kitchen bathroom accessories for home and 1 towel bar, the perfect way to storage large bottles of shampoo. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Oil dispenser. The wide-mouthed design allows for effortless refilling of oil, vinegar, chili oil, and sauces. Enjoy quick, hassle-free pouring into the glass bottle for everyday use. Bottle is a versatile kitchen tool, ideal for cooking, baking, grilling, and more. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Portable blender. Allows you to blend extra tough ingredients, control the texture of your smoothies and shakes, delivering short bursts of power at the touch of a button. Whether you prefer a velvety smooth blend or a chunkier texture for your hummus, jams or salsa, turbo mode puts you in command. Stay active and hydrated with the dedicated sports lathe. Engineered for convenience, the spill-resistant lathe lets you sip directly from the blender, making it the perfect choice for post-workout protein shakes, energizing smoothies, or refreshing hydration on the move. Comes with additional bottom lathes so you can keep the motor away while you enjoy your drink. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Diffuser. Create a spiritual atmosphere at home. Use a Kapoor electric diffuser while meditating, yoga, or even while studying. The pleasant aromas will lift your spirits up and create a positive atmosphere at home. The fumes of burning camphor purify the air and inhaling that air can be beneficial. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Mixer grinder. Built with a robust 1000-watt copper motor enhanced with ball-bearing technology for superior torque, smoother operation, and long-lasting durability. Handles tough grinding and blending tasks with ease. Features 7 precision-engineered SS blades for fine grinding, smooth blending, and consistent results in both wet and dry applications. Durable stainless steel body with mirror finish and ergonomically designed handles ensure easy handling and long-lasting strength. 3-speed rotary control and pulse function offer flexibility for various textures. Anti-skid feet provide enhanced stability while operating at high speed. Dedicated transparent juicer jar with sieve ensures efficient juice extraction, while the multi-utility jar simplifies daily tasks like chopping and kneading. Detachable jars and smooth surfaces make cleaning hassle-free, keeping your kitchen tidy and efficient. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Packing cubes. A large drawstring bag made of thick fabric and thick ropes to carry clothes, shoes, and other items to the beach, gym, or just about anywhere. We also provide a large translucent pouch to keep your toiletries and makeup in one place. You can use our cubes to organize clothes, shoes, laundry, makeup, cosmetics, toiletry, wardrobes, and others. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Tumbler. Mug is made of high-quality 316 stainless steel with a double-wall insulation design, BPA-free, keeping drinks hot for 6 hours and cold for 8 hours, ensuring beverages stay at the desired. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Tumbler. The beautifully textured surface adds sophistication to your table while providing a secure and comfortable grip. Each glass is made from eco-friendly, lead-free. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Tray. Made from high-quality, BPA-free PP plastic, this cutlery tray organizer is food-safe, durable, waterproof, and long-lasting. Perfect for storing silverware, flatware, and daily use kitchen tools safely. Expandable drawer organizer with 8 compartments and adjustable side panels that expand to fit most kitchen drawers. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Filters. Made of soft rubber material can prevent water leak, which can save water for your each time using. Filter for almost 99%. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Towel holder rack. Crafted from high-strength aluminum and finished with a 7-layer powder coating for enhanced durability. This rust-proof towel rack ensures long-lasting performance, even in humid bathroom conditions. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Hangers. Made of stainless steel, strong, slim, stylish and heavy-duty, suitable for hanging clothes. Notches at the shoulders are great for keeping strappy items in place. Sleek design allows more space in the closet for your garment. Shiny and durable buffed finish superior to electroplating. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Square spin bucket mop. Is made up with virgin PP, makes it strong, durable and lightweight. Refill, microfiber bucket, high-grade plastic rod. This aesthetically designed bucket made of high-grade plastic is light, durable and easy to use. It saves lot more water than any other product. It is up to 90% labor-reducing mop. The spin mop set with bucket comes with a long sturdy telescopic handle and an easy-to-move bucket. The handle allows a 360-degree movement to reach all nooks and corners. The easy mop for floor cleaning comes with 2 microfiber refills which has good water absorption capacity, big in size. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Grinder. Featuring a 2-liter capacity, this grinder is perfect for handling large batches, allowing you to prepare your favorite dishes for family gatherings or parties with ease. With its maroon color and sleek design, this grinder adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor, making it not just a functional appliance but also a stylish addition to your home. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this grinder is built to last, offering durability and longevity, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. The Premier Lifestyle Grinder is designed for ease of use, with simple controls that make it easy to operate, even for beginners. Perfect for grinding a variety of ingredients such as rice, pulses, and spices, this grinder is a versatile addition to your kitchen, helping you prepare a wide range of dishes effortlessly. 200 watts single-phase high-torque induction motor with 1440 revolutions per minute grinds batter with ease. Compact in size and space-saving. This ventilation makes sure the machine stays at a fairly warm temperature even during the toughest grinds. Wet grinder has 2 cylindrical stones that crushes, mixes and grinds all the ingredients. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Cupboard. Crafted with high-quality plastic, this double-door cabinet is durable and perfect for organizing your room space. Features an easy-to-assemble design with a highly resilient knockdown build, making setup quick and hassle-free. Equipped with multiple adjustable shelves, this cabinet offers ample storage and is easy to clean, saving your time and effort. This plastic storage cabinet is designed to resist corrosion and termites, ensuring a longer lifespan. Premium wood finish enhances the aesthetic appeal, blending seamlessly with modern interiors. Easy DIY assembly and height-adjustable shelves for a customizable and hassle-free setup. Made with high-quality 100% virgin plastic, ensuring durability and strength. Perfect for organizing clothes, toys, books, essentials, and household items, ideal for home, office, bedroom, or kids' room and hassle-free assembly with no tools required, easy to clean, resistant to rust, ensuring effortless maintenance. Strong construction allows for easy movement and placement, making it a convenient storage option. Easy to assemble and fold, perfect portable plastic wardrobe for home, hostel, or rental use. Closed-door wardrobe keeps clothes safe from dust and dirt. Stylish plastic almirah suitable for small rooms, apartments and compact spaces. Wardrobe is a modern, space-saving storage solution designed for unisex use, perfect for bedroom, kids' room, nursery, home, hostel, or rental houses. Made from high-quality durable plastic, this portable wardrobe cabinet features a strong hanging rod, multiple sliding drawers, and closed-door storage to keep clothes, toys, diapers, blankets, shoes, and accessories neatly organized. This foldable plastic almirah is easy to assemble without tools and can be collapsed when not in use, making it ideal for small spaces and apartments. Its moisture-resistant, dust-proof, and easy-to-clean design ensures long-lasting performance. The modern unisex design blends seamlessly with any interior decor while offering large-capacity storage for daily household needs. Product link is given in the 30-second link.